Hello YouTube. Today I'll be doing a quick unbox and overview of the Blue Designs Yeticaster microphone. This is a great microphone and boom arm kit for a variety of applications. Opening up the shipping box, the main package is long and triangular shaped with a photo of the mic and product information on the back. Heading over to the website real quick, this microphone is priced at $199 but is a great deal considering it's a high quality product. It also features how the mic can be permanently attached to a workspace depending on how it's going to be used. Here are the technical specs of the mic, and feel free to pause the video. But this is a condenser mic and has the convenience of being plug and play for PC and Mac. 5 different pieces of tape hold the package closed. So once those are opened, we can get inside. Opening up the box, I labeled where all the parts are within the package, and for the size, it neatly contains everything. Feel free to pause the video. This microphone pairs nicely with the Audio-Technica headphones I reviewed last week. There will be a card for those who haven't seen it. The USB connector on the microphone itself is a mini USB connector. The boom arm is also quite tall for its size and has tension adjusters at the joints. Here is the Yeti mic itself. With a strong metal housing and a lot of adjustability built right in, I got this a while ago and have been using it on previous videos. And I'll showcase the different options it has in a bit. Here it is assembled onto the workbench. The desk clamp fit into the hole that is normally used for cable routing, but is a secure fit. It's easy to move and stays in place. On the side with the Blue Designs logo, there's a mute button that is constantly red, which indicates it's unmuted, and blinks when it's pressed to show that the mic is muted, alongside a volume knob. The volume knob controls the headphone jack input, which is for monitoring real-time audio on the microphone. The boom arm has tension, and it also has a channel to feed the USB cable so it's neatly connected. The mic also has a shock absorber which helps to lessen the impact of vibrations onto the mic. The other side of the microphone has 2 knobs. One is for the gain control, which is essentially how sensitive and how loud the audio will be, and the second knob is a multi-pattern selectional knob with stereo, cardioid, omni, and bidirectional modes. This is how the stereo mode sounds like. This mode would be most useful for vocals or instruments, something that would be in hi-fi, and to recreate realistic sound. This is how the cardioid mode sounds like. This is the mode I usually use for voiceovers, like this, but it would also be ideal for stuff like podcasts or for similar applications like the stereo mode. This is how the omnidirectional mode sounds like. This is usually good for capturing a wide area since it's similar in how a 360-degree camera captures video, except with audio. This is how the bidirectional mode sounds like. This would be best for stuff like interviews or for instruments or something that doesn't fall into the other categories. In my opinion, this mic is a great purchase and is a professional product. It's made with very durable materials and will last a very long time. The only weird part about the mic is that it uses mini USB, which isn't bad, but in today's age, USB-C might be more convenient. It is a bit expensive, but it would be the only big mic to buy. If this is a bit out of your price budget, then there are cheaper microphones that Blue Designs sell that are still great. This microphone also appealed to me due to its boom arm, which is extremely convenient since I can put it away and use it easily. That's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching.